IDM continues to uplift communities in the Eastern Cape through vital water projects. A new borehole has been installed in the Lusikisiki region at the IDM Masjid and Islamic Center, serving the whole community. The IDM Flagstaff borehole has been repaired. The IDM Ndimbaneni borehole has been repaired. The IDM Mgazana borehole has been repaired. These repairs have brought clean water back to these rural areas. Immense thanks to our caring donors. To support future borehole and water well projects, contact IDM at 0313046883.
يبارك في المحسنين الكرام في مالهم وأهلهم وديارهم وذريتهم اليوم.
IDM has printed thousands of Afrikaans Qurans, now available free at our Durban office. For delivery, a postage fee of 80 Rand is appreciated. Qurans can also be sponsored for 100 Rand per copy for distribution. Our next Quran printing project is 3,000 Xhosa Qurans, already submitted to the press. Your support is welcome. For more information, call 0313046883. Ideal for Esaale, Sawab and Sadaqa Jariyah. The communities of all these areas are grateful to IDM and all its donors for providing Qurans in their home languages and providing life-giving water. May Allah bless our donors.